Hey, I'm back, still playing around with my new makeup, my new highlighters, bronzers, blushes. I am not super familiar with these products, and so now I'm just kind of playing around with them. I already did my eyes with a different product, and I've been playing around with those a little bit because as I get older, I'm starting to get the hooded eye. So I've been experimenting with that. So if you have any tips or tricks, I've been watching YouTube videos on how to improve that. But I wanted to show you, in my other video, I did our highlighter balm, our Hustler blush, and our Posh bronzer. So I'm going to experiment with some different ones today. I am going to go back to our Posh. I really like this bronzer. Plus, I don't have the other ones yet. They literally just launched a couple days ago. So with our bronzer Posh, it is very similar to my eyebrow color. So until our brow products come out, hopefully we'll be getting those. I've never done anything with my brows, as you can probably tell. And so I've just been for the last few months, just adding a little bit, not with this, but other things, just kind of filling in since I have blonde hair and they're starting to thin as I get older. I will be hitting the big 4-0 next week. So I don't do anything crazy here. I am literally just adding a little bit of consistency with that. So I'm going to I have a light B&B type foundation. I do not wear heavy foundation. As you can see, I literally just use enough to even out my skin tone. I love that these are clean ingredients and they are also super lightweight. I love when stuff like you don't feel it or it's not cakey on your skin. I am also a 5-minute face person. If I'm doing a little bit extra, then maybe 8 to 10 minutes. But typically I stick around 5 minutes. So if it can't be done in that time, I'm probably not going to do it. Okay, so bronzer, obviously we're defining our cheekbone. And I got some weird lighting going on here because I'm in front of my office window. I don't usually do this way. And now I notice that it's like giving me different kinds of light. So this is Posh. Okay, I'm doing a little bit at my top, along insides of my nose, my chin, which wish there was a disappearing tool for that. So very lightweight. I love that it's buildable. So I could keep building if I wanted something more extreme. And then I'm going to move on to blush. Okay. I got really excited because I hadn't even opened these yet. And I heard this one had shimmer and I was like, how have I not opened this yet? This one is Bashful, which is an amazing light, blush with gold shimmer in it. Anything with glitter or shimmer, and it's my jam. So you can tell by my nails I just did. And then this is our balm. So I'm going to do each just to see, which is probably going to look crazy because I actually have somewhere to go. Should I try both? Yeah, I'll try both. Okay, so I'll start with the shimmer. I know you're supposed to use different brushes. Again, I'm a 5-minute face person, and I just wipe off my brush in between. So there you can see it's really heavy pigmented, but again, buildable. So just gonna add a little bit there. Pretty. Okay. The balm, I'll use a little bit just so we can see how it works. The balms are more like you're foolproof. So if you're new to all this, these are super awesome. You can use your fingers and just kind of build on it. I'm just going to use one because I don't want a lot. I love that you can be like, oh, that's not enough. I need more. And then you can just keep building. Okay. And then the one that I showed last night is one of my favorites. And that is the, is our balm, what is it called? Superstar. After I got off the video last night showing you Dreamer, I dropped my brand new highlighter. I almost cried. It's like spilled milk. But I'm trying to hack with some rubbing alcohol to see if I can fix it. If so, I'm kind of recording the steps, so I'll show you how to do that. So we're learning something out of something that was really devastating. Okay, so here's the balm Superstar. So again, I love that you can build and not have to have, this goes a really long way. You do not need a lot for the Superstar, but I like a lot because it's so beautiful. Okay, and then as I've learned since we've released this, I've learned a lot in the last few days. You touch up under your eyebrows, inside your eye area. It's usually a little dark. A little bit on the end of our nose where the light would naturally hit. I always make funny faces because how do you not? I don't know how these people do it without making funny faces. And here. So I really like that natural. The one I did last night was a little bit more intense colors. Last night I used Hustler, which is a little bit more of a bold blush. So again, these are all clean ingredients and super buildable, very lightweight, like super lightweight, which I said even with this, like it was so light when it broke because I dropped it on my glass chair mat. It did not withstand that. It was very airy. The other thing that I like with the balm, the blush, or not the blush balm, the highlighter balm, I can't say it, is I like using a little bit for the highlight on my eyes. Gosh, getting old sucks. When I close my eyes up close, I can't see. It's real fun. A little bit of highlight there. Okay, now a little bit of lips. This is, what is this one? Darling lip liner. I was never a lip liner person. But again, as I'm starting to get older and my lips are starting to get a little bit more lines, this time of year, I have a crack that I get here same time every year. This helps define that. Or keep my lipstick in the perimeters. One of my favorite shades is Heartthrob. It was an exclusive shade, and I love that our lipstick is one swipe. You don't have to keep going over it. Like, get it on the first swipe, you're good to go. Again, full rich color. It's one of my favorite shades. It is like on point. So those are a couple new shades that I used this month. You can get several of these items in a bundle for $79. It is our consultant kit that we have through the end of the month. It will come with a blush balm. It may not be this exact color, but it'll come with a pressed powdered blush, a balm blush. It will come with a lip liner, a lipstick. Again, colors are random, but they're always like our current styles and whatnot. You get 9 sets of nails. I just did these last night, super fun. So you get 9 sets of nails. You get our tinted lip balm, which is amazing. It is a pH balanced tinted lip balm. By the way, our lipsticks are non-transferable. And so like you don't get them on your teeth, and they're amazing. What else do you get in that kit? You also get a cuticle oil and a hand lotion. So you get one of our hand lotions and then a cuticle oil. Those 2 things alone are $30. So the value of that $79 bundle is over $300. So it's a really great deal. If you haven't tried our cosmetic products yet, that's a great time to try it and dabble in a little bit of everything. There are no monthly minimums. You can cancel anytime if you find out it's not for you. And it's an amazing, fun time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully you'll get to try some of these beauties out soon. Have a fantastic day.